So, let me introduce you to this super cool tool called Video AI. It's like having your own personal video wizard that makes creating videos a breeze. You can generate awesome videos with voiceovers in tons of languages, which is perfect for reaching out to all kinds of audiences. And guess what? By using Video AI, creators can boost their channel's market reach by up to 10 times. Yeah, you heard that right. This means way bigger potential earnings for all you content creators out there hustling hard. Now, let's get into how you can set up and use Video AI like a pro. The video walks you through the setup process, showing you how to tweak your settings and pick the right features to create those stunning AI-generated videos efficiently. Ready to dive into voice cloning? First, head over to the voice option in the sidebar and click to add your voice. Pro tip: upload a clear voice sample because it's super important for successful cloning. Once you've uploaded your sample, you've got to make sure to tick all those permissions for verification. It only takes about 30 seconds, so hang tight. After it's verified, you can give your voice clone a cool name. How awesome is that? After you've cloned your voice, it's time to generate videos. Just feed in some detailed text prompts. The more specific you are, the better quality video you'll get. It's like feeding your creativity with exactly what it needs. And hold on, there's more. Using stock footage and smart transitions can really amp up the quality of your video and keep your viewers glued to the screen. Oh, and don't forget to add captions. They make everything more accessible, helping everyone understand your content. Now, if you're going for those long explainer videos, a little planning goes a long way. Tools like ChatGPT are there to save the day by providing structured prompts that guide you through the creative process and ensure everything's crystal clear. Next up, background music. Picking the right tunes sets the vibe for your video. It's super essential since it shapes how your audience feels while watching. Good music can totally make or break the emotional connection. And get this, you can choose from various languages and tones for your videos. Whether you want a professional vibe, something sarcastic, or a touch of humor, Video AI's got it all to match different audience tastes. Speaking of voices, the video highlights how important voice selection is. You can pick from male or female voices, as well as different accents, which totally enhances your viewer's experience. It's all about making that connection. After your video is generated, you can totally personalize it by adding your own voice. This showcases how technology allows you to create unique content that stands out in the crowd. You can really make it yours. And here's something cool. The cloning tool allows you to convert voices into several languages, like Spanish or Mandarin. This feature makes it way easier to communicate with audiences from all over the globe, boosting user experience and engagement. Thanks to this, content creators can really tap into audiences in different countries without any language barriers. It opens up a world of growth potential. Imagine expanding your channel and raking in those subscribers. When it comes to video editing, Video AI offers super cool options that let you customize your content effortlessly. You can swap out footage, add new clips, and keep that unique style of yours shining through while making your videos even better. Also, the editing tools give you the flexibility to adjust your scripts. Whether you want to add or remove pauses for a smoother flow, this customization makes your videos way more engaging for your viewers. Who wouldn't want that? And let's not forget about the magic of choosing different voiceovers for various sections of your video. This adds a real touch of diversity to your content and helps create a more personalized storytelling experience that connects better with your audience. If you're serious about content creation, upgrading to a paid plan is totally worth it. It removes those pesky watermarks and unlocks advanced features like voice cloning, which is essential for any creator looking to expand their reach and really level up.